If you've been feeling uninspired in your home lately, you're not alone. I'm Kevin Ryan from Blue Coast Realty. Now, over time, our living spaces can start to feel tired or cluttered, but the good news is you don't need a renovation to fall in love with your home again. Start with a good declutter. Go room by room and remove anything that no longer serves a purpose or brings you joy. Reorganize shelves and closets to create a sense of space and calm. Even small changes like clearing countertops or rearranging decor can make a big impact. One of the simplest ways to transform a space is a fresh coat of paint. Choose neutral shades to brighten up a room or go bold with an accent wall. Updating throw pillows, curtains, or area rugs can also change the feel of a room without breaking the bank. Next, consider rearranging your furniture. Sometimes all you need is a new layout to create a better flow and a perspective. Move pieces between rooms, remove anything bulky, and open up that space to allow more natural light. Bring nature inside with a few houseplants. Plants are an easy way to breathe life and give color back into that space while also improving air quality. Pair them with neutral textures like baskets or wood accents to add warmth and depth. Add personal touches that make your house feel like a home again. Frame photos, display meaningful artwork, or bring out travel souvenirs that make you smile. These little elements help connect you emotionally to your love space. Lighting also plays a huge role in how a space feels. Add lamps to darker corners, use warm light bulbs, and consider updating lighting fixtures or shades to give your home a soft, inviting glow. Don't forget your entryway. A clean, refreshed front door area sets a tone to the entire home. Try a new welcome mat. Add a bench or hooks or coats and keep it clutter-free. At Blue Coast Realty, we always remind our clients that refreshing your home doesn't need to be expensive or complicated. Sometimes it's about creating new energy and seeing your space with fresh eyes. If you're thinking about selling or just want to enjoy your home more, we're here to help with local tips, staging support, and home improvement referrals in Sarnia and beyond.